Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to wear multiple accessories on Roblox mobile. So guys, if you want to wear multiple accessories, first of all guys, you have to open Play Store and just go to search for this Kiwi browser, and just open this browser. Once you install it, and now guys, just tap on this three dot at the top and just go to extensions. Just go to extension guide and install this extension from its store. Here you can see that from store, use this link to open extension store. So this basically this browser guys allow you to install any extension usually you do install on PC. So you can search for this extension called BT Roblox. Search for this extension and just add this extension on your browser. Once you add this browser, you will see this add to Chrome option. Just use this option to add it and make sure to enable in the background. Once you enable it, go back to guys a new tab and search for roblox.com and go to roblox.com and log in with your username and password. Once you log in guys, go to menu and just choose avatar from it to go to avatar editor. Make sure to enable desktop site, because this website works only, this page only works for desktop websites. So now guys, from here you can equip multiple accessories. As you can see that in recent you won't be able to guys open any other tab from it, but in the recent, if you have tried multiple accessories before, you will see multiple accessories here. You can choose it from here. You can select it from the recent multiple accessories. As you can see that I have equipped multiple hairs and multiple accessories. So that's how you can do it guys. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more videos. Till then, bye bye.